going down. The chicken ranch, going down to the chicken ranch. Lick my hand and drag my balls, rocking my pride on overalls, kicking back with my feet in the air, screaming at the wind like it just might care. Chicken ranch, gonna catch me a big old butt, gonna catch me a big old butt. Get to my spot and the wind is just right. Set my drift to the best of my might. Kiss my bait and drop it to the ocean floor. My balls start bouncing in harmony. That means my hooks are where they need to be. So it will only be a minute until I score. Then time goes by like the passing waves, thinking about life and how Jesus saves. Wondering if he could pass a Hallie my way. None of life's worries seem real out here as I talk to the clouds in my fishing gear. It makes me think that heaven ain't far away from you know where. Chicken ranch, going down to the chicken ranch. Lick my hair and drag my balls, rocking my pride on overalls, kicking back with my feet in the air, screaming at the wind like it just might care. Chicken ranch, gonna catch me a big old butt, gonna catch me a big old butt. Just when I think it's time to reel in my line, my rod bends in half. 'Cause I really haven't put for him. I can only grin 'cause I'm coming back to the chicken ranch, coming back to the chicken ranch. Lick my hair and drag my balls, rocking my pride on overalls, kicking back with my feet in the air, screaming at the wind like it just might care. Chicken ranch, gonna catch me a big old butt, gonna catch me a big old butt. Chicken ranch, going down to the chicken ranch. Lick my hair and drag my balls, rocking my pride on overalls, kicking back with my feet in the air, screaming at the wind like it just might care. Chicken ranch, gonna catch me a big old butt, gonna catch me a big old butt, gonna catch me a big old butt, gonna catch me big old 250-pound Volkswagen full of flaky white chicken meat. Old man in the sea, big old butt.